Would you say that's close to maybe the perfect away performance today?
Yeah, I think so. The boys were outstanding. I know we've conceded the first goal, but unbelievable character. I felt the second half we really stepped up a level. The front three up the top were outstanding. And to be honest, a makeshift back four in terms of shuffling people around. The skipper Alex Gammon again was outstanding and really kept us solid all game to allow us to, I suppose, to go and perform like that, especially in the second half.
Yn gyntaf, mi'n gweud da iawn i Llansawel, heiddiannol iawn, dros y 90 heddi. Oedd nhw llawn rhedeg, llawn brwdfrydydd ac llawn egni. Popeth oedd ddim gyda ni heddi. Dyna beth sy'n fwyaf siomedig gyda ni. Cyfleoedd, hanner cyfleoedd a pethau felly, ond oedd dim real awydd i really sgorio heddi. A dyna'r gwahaniaeth. Fi gallu roi lan gyda colli, ond fi ffili roi lan gyda perfformiad fel yna.
Well, you look at it, the pace we've got in the youngsters, and there's kind of like a fearlessness about them, which is great. And when they go forward, they scare teams. And then we've got the old heads coming on the last, when people are tired, then score the goals as well. So, like I said, it's a lovely blend, and we've got a real good mix and great team spirit going at the moment.
I just want to ask you as well, that's the third team that you've beaten. I think you've beaten the top three. You've beaten TNS, Penybont and now Cardiff Met. Anything that you think that you're doing different? Do you feel less pressure maybe against teams like this, or do you kind of have a different approach? Because clearly something must be working.
That's something we just mentioned in the change rooms now, and I don't know whether it's subconscious, you try a little bit harder. I don't think so. I think it's just, I don't know, do we raise our game for the bigger sides? Maybe you do, and maybe there's something you don't actually know you're doing. But we seem to do it, and it's working for us. And we've just got to do the same now to the lower teams and get enough points to make sure we're outside the relegation zone come May.
Ni wedi gadael tip bach o waith i wneud, ond na i wneud yn siŵr bod fi'n wneud popeth fi gallu i gael y pwyntiau i fod yn chwech uchaf. Fi'n jyst mynd i gofyn i'r boys nawr i wneud yr un peth hefyd, achos ar hyn o bryd oedd ddim yn teimlo bod nhw'n rhoi'r un egni mewn, a beth falle fi wedi gofyn am. A fi'n rhoi mewn. So, yes, hynod siomedig ond llongyfarchiadau i Llansawel heddi.